Hey guys, so got a cool surprise today. A while back, I ordered a monthly subscription nail box from House of Supplies. I forgot about it, and it showed up yesterday. Surprise to me. I forget about this stuff a lot. I'll order things and just totally forget until it shows up and be like, oh, hey, look at that. Super cool. Anyway, it showed up. Really excited. We are going to do an unboxing. I haven't got to do one of those in a while, so pretty stoked about that. Now, if you haven't heard of House of Supplies, they do a couple different monthly subscription boxes. Like they do a gem box, they do just a regular nail art box, they do a lash box, they do a couple different things. So it was only $12.99, which I was kind of hesitant because I figured at that price, like it would probably be a bunch of cheap crap, but I was pleasantly surprised. I think you're gonna be too. So showed up. Yeah, it actually, it said they ship out at the end of the month, but I actually got mine early. So sweet. And like I said, this was only $12.99. They don't have like a higher option, or maybe they might. I don't know. I don't remember. Anyway, my memory is not the best. So without further ado, let's dig into it. So we'll start with the you know, the basics first. We got some foils. It's got gold, copper, silver, and that kind of mixed one, whatever that is, but it's a lot of them. You know, that's usually a couple bucks, whatever. We got some, let's see. We got some of the XXL, like Super XL stiletto tips. I think there's like 12 or 15 in a package, enough to do a set. It's got all the different sizes, and there were 2 of those. So those are fun, and these work great in the silicone practice hand. So it's always helpful to have some of those. If you guys are like me, you go through a ton of those. Let's see, what else do we have? Oh, we got some of this stuff. Now, this is like a flamingo pink color, and it's all the different shapes. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's a really nice color. It kind of reminds me of that Birkin color from the Glam Trap House that I use all the time, because it's got kind of just a hint of like melon or orange color to it, but it's still bright pink, and they're like, I don't know, they're kind of clear with just a hint of pink. I love them. I love them so much. They got hearts, stars, moons, different shapes of stars, like diamond shapes, butterflies, or wait, are those hearts or butterflies? I don't know. Those are hearts. Okay. More hearts. It's really cool. I like it. And some 3D diamonds there. I love that color. I'm in love with it. All right, let's see. There's not like a ton of stuff in here, so this is going to be pretty quick, but still. I apparently got mine before a lot of other people, so I wanted to hurry up and show you guys. Anyway, we got some gems. There's like, let me see. There are 6 different colors. There's clear, the multicolor, we got white. Ooh, I like those. Those are pretty cool, actually. Oh, that's weird. Like, some of them are white on the outside and some of them are white underneath. Oh, that one was just printed backwards. Okay. We got pink, blue, and black. I like those a lot. That's pretty neat. That's cool. I'm excited. So we got some designer decals. It's kind of hard for you guys to see because they're white. But, oh, there we go. We got the Chanel, like, pattern. We got some Louis Vuitton and the Louis Vuitton pattern. Let me open these up so we can see what's on them. I'm excited. Like, some of this stuff you would think with, I'm going to have to do a nail room tour so you guys can see just how much stuff is in here. How much stuff I go through. Like, how many products I get, and just, you know, I don't like them. So, they just kind of pile up here. Or, you know, I just don't use them a ton. So they pile up here. But a lot of this stuff, like I had a box of these a few months ago. I went through it really fast. All right. So we got one sheet. It's a little easier to see now. They're really cool. I like those a lot. Actually, I love these patterns. I love the patterns for like an accent nail. I think they're really, really attractive, especially on like a nude or a pink. These white ones are really cool. Okay, next up, we have, this is cool. Okay, so we got a Selfie Light. I don't know if you guys know, but it's US, so you charge it with the USB cord. These are really great for taking nail pictures. You just clip it on your phone, like pointing at whatever, and it gives you like just a nice soft light. So it's got a couple different intensities, and if you hold it, it starts flashing. Just turn that off. I don't want to give anybody... Okay. But yeah, you can turn it all the way up, all the way down. It's got 3 different brightness settings, and you just like clip it on. I'm sure you guys have seen these. These are like $5, but so far we're up to like, I don't know, a couple, 20 maybe, 25 with this. About 20. This is really neat. I like it. And they take great nail pictures. Like, you put it on the opposite side of your phone as your camera, and then it gives you like just the perfect light over your nails. So that's awesome, because I take horrible pictures. You would think since I'm with the camera all day, you know, I would be better at it, but I'm really not. Okay, 2 more things in here, and these are my favorites. I saved them for last. So the Caviar, it's a bottle of the Caviar, which these are pretty expensive. Now you would think I would have this, right, with everything else in here, but no, I don't. And I just realized that when I opened this, and I'm like, why don't I have this? Because they are gorgeous. Look at that. They're so pretty, and I'm so, like, why have I not ordered this already? Which is exactly what you want out of a mystery box. You want to be like, oh, I didn't even know I needed that, but I do. So, success, right? And I love these little bottles. They make me feel so fancy. All right, last thing, and this one was my favorite. You guys know how I have, like, the blue and pink deal? Like, that's my favorite, right? I always do my hands in opposite colors of blue and pink, or... everything in my nail room's kind of got some blue and pink going. And these are Pom Poms. And they're blue and pink. So I can put one on each side when I do my nails this week, which I desperately need done because they're just ripping apart. But these ones, like, I have some other Pom Poms. I have like blue and gold, and I have a couple different colors. Not blue and pink though. I have the clip-on ones, like where you hook them through the little piercing ring. And I have the ones with just the piercing rings. These are actually the kind that you put on with gem glue. So they don't come off, which makes hand washing a little difficult, but you can work around it. But I like them. Like, you put the little gem glue right there, and it's got the curve for the nail. So you just stick it on there, and then you're fancy. So I was really excited about those, actually. Way more excited than I should be, but whatever. So yeah, House of Supplies. I will include the link down below for you guys, because I really think this is something fun, and it doesn't cost a ton. And I was really kind of impressed with the variety of stuff. Like, for $12, I didn't expect a whole lot, and I was pleasantly surprised. And it's like all different, so I'm kind of excited to see where they go month to month, you know? And yeah, it's not expensive stuff or whatever, but I didn't expect it to be. I definitely got my money's worth, for sure. Like, I feel like I did. And I like the surprise. I love mystery boxes. Like, I love mystery boxes. I love doing the unboxing. So I think I'm going to keep the subscription. I don't know. What do you guys think? Would you guys like to see a monthly unboxing from House of Supplies? I'm also looking at some other subscription boxes so that I can do, like, the unboxing and whatever. Plus, I just like to order stuff. I like to get new stuff. So, especially surprise stuff. This is really cool. So let me know what you guys think about it, if you would be interested in seeing it, and I'll see what I can do about that. But we got some fun stuff coming up this week. I have, let me see. Oh, the Kiss Kit. So it turns out that the Kiss Kit I got didn't have a brush in it. And I didn't realize until, if you guys look at the last video, you'll see it didn't have a brush in it. So I went back and I got the bigger kit this time, the one with the forms and everything in it. So we're going to be going all out on that one. This one actually has the odor drops, the sour apple stuff that's supposed to help with the monomer odor. I actually, out of the first kit, I kept those and used them in my Mia Secret monomer for a long time. They do help somewhat. Also, I got another Kamisi brush so that we can give them another try, because like I said, they're all over Amazon, and I really want to see if all of their brushes are that quality before I say, you know, they're awful. But what really concerns me is that they are all over Amazon. Like, you cannot spit without landing on a Kamisi brush. So that concerns me a little bit, that they're so prevalent if they're all bad quality like that. Also, what else? Oh, we got the polygel thing coming. I have the other nail kit. I was going to do a different version of the Lazy Girl thing. And I have the Young Nails video coming tomorrow. I finally got that to an acceptable level, I feel like. So we have that coming up tomorrow. What else? Oh, I have a Model 1s. I got a big ton of Model 1s to review. We just got a lot going on this week, and I have a couple surprise giveaways that I'm going to be doing this week. So make sure your notifications are turned on, which most of you guys watch immediately after I post something. Also, I am going to be doing my evolution of brushes. Where I started at, don't laugh at me, to where I am now. And just kind of, I want to talk about the garbage that I started with and how I got here. Why I ended up doing so many brush reviews. This is why. So I'm going to show you guys and explain what happened. Also, when I do this, I'm spilling the tea about the little little spat I got into with eye gel over that garbage brush. So that should be interesting. We'll get a little bit of tea, you know, not too bad. So, as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure your notifications are on because we're going to have fun this week.